Think tractors are all the same? Think again. Meet the updated 6M tractors that make work easier, faster, and way more comfortable. These new 6M tractors are built for real-life farm work. Inside the cab, everything's designed to make your day smoother. The new corner display shows all the important info at a glance, and the controls swivel with your seat so you're always in command, even when checking your tools behind you. Comfort matters, so cab suspension keeps you riding easy all day. Want to skip steering while plowing or planting? AutoTrack guidance has you covered. And small perks like device charging, a fridge for your drinks, and LED lights make long workdays feel lighter. The updated models, like the 6110 and 6120M, are more compact for tight turns, yet pack plenty of power with smart engine design and intelligent power management. Loader work? A new joystick with a power reverser makes changing direction effortless. What if your combine could think for itself and adjust speed perfectly every second, so you get more grain, less loss, and zero stress? Imagine you're harvesting, and instead of constantly adjusting your speed, your machine does it for you. That's exactly what feed rate control is built for. It automatically changes your combined speed based on how heavy or light the crop is, so you stay efficient all day without guessing. You've got 3 simple modes to choose from. Performance mode keeps things balanced, good output, low losses, and solid grain quality. Max throughput pushes your machine to its limits, focusing only on getting the most done, even if quality drops a bit. And fixed throughput? That keeps your output steady no matter what, perfect for consistent results. Setting it up is straightforward. Pick your crop, choose your mode, set a max speed slightly higher than usual, and let the system learn your field. What if one machine could save your entire harvest, and cut your crop loss to almost zero? Last year, farmers faced a serious problem: too much rain, heavy winds, and damaged crops. Corn was falling over, bending, and even breaking at the top. Normally, this kind of damage means one thing: loss. But this time, something different happened. With this new corn head, everything became easier. Instead of getting stuck or forcing farmers to stop and fix things manually, the machine smoothly pulled the crops in, no struggle, no mess. Even when the corn was bent or tangled, it fed perfectly into the system. The secret? A smarter design. The deck plates adjust from both sides, so the crop doesn't get crushed or lost. The gathering chains guide everything in the right direction, and the larger auger helps move it along without grinding or wasting it. The result? Almost no downtime, and less than 1% crop loss. This farmer replaced 15 tractors with just one machine, and it completely changed his life. We're standing near a quiet lake close to the Black Sea. It's peaceful, simple, the kind of place where life moves slow and everything feels real. But just a few kilometers away, things look very different. Welcome to one of Romania's biggest farming regions: huge fields, massive operations, and serious challenges. For years, farmers here struggled with poor soil. Just 30 centimeters below the surface, the ground turns rock hard. Crops couldn't grow properly, no matter how hard they worked. The problem wasn't effort, it was the tools. One farmer decided to change everything. Instead of using 15 small tractors, he invested in one powerful, modern machine built to break through that hard layer of soil. And the results? Faster work, better crops, and way less stress. Now, he finishes his work in less time and actually gets to spend more time with his family. What if one machine could do the work of an entire crew, faster, cleaner, and with insane precision? Watch this. Today, we're breaking down how this powerful dozer blade actually works, and trust me, it's way simpler than it looks. This blade isn't just going up and down. With a single control, you can lift it, drop it, and even angle it left or right to push dirt exactly where you want. Need more control? You can tilt it too, perfect for leveling uneven ground or filling tricky spots. Here's where it gets interesting. As the blade moves forward, it doesn't just push dirt, it rolls it smoothly, almost like a wave. That makes the whole process faster and way more efficient. Once you reach the end, you simply release the load and come back for the next pass. And if you want even smoother results, there's a float mode. This lets the blade glide over the ground naturally, following the surface without forcing it, giving you a cleaner finish with less effort. What if one machine could replace hours of hard labor, save fuel, and still give you perfect precision every time? This might change how you see construction forever. Meet Ito Nomura and Naoki Nomura, a team with nearly 4 decades of real experience in construction. For them, this work isn't just a job, it's about building something that actually lasts. Over the years, they've used all kinds of machines, but their experience with newer Caterpillar equipment stands out. At first, switching wasn't easy. The controls felt different, and the machine took time to understand. But once they got used to it, everything changed. These machines are powerful, fast, and surprisingly smooth. You can switch between high speed for heavy work and slow, precise movement for detailed tasks, all from a screen. No complicated setup, no extra effort. One of the biggest wins? Fuel savings. Older machines used to burn through fuel all day. What if one machine could dig deep trenches, lift heavy loads, and still move like a compact skid steer? This isn't the future, it's already here. Meet the JCB Teleskid, a machine that completely changes what a skid steer can do. At first glance, it looks like a normal compact loader. But the moment that boom extends forward, you realize this is on a whole different level. This machine can reach over 13 feet high, making it easy to load dump trucks without even getting close. And here's the crazy part. It can also dig straight down up to 3 feet while staying in one position. No constant repositioning, no wasted time. JCB redesigned everything for performance and durability. The key components are fully protected, the lifting power is stronger, and visibility inside the cab is way better, so operators can work faster and safer. Under the hood, it runs on a powerful and fuel-efficient engine that delivers serious performance without extra maintenance headaches. Want a tractor that does the work of 100 men? Let's see which one truly earns the title of premium, John Deere or Kubota. When it comes to serious work, you need a tractor that doesn't just get the job done, it excels. Today, we're comparing the John Deere 4R series and the Kubota L series to see which one truly delivers premium performance. Both tractors offer a roomy platform and tilt steering, but John Deere takes it further with color-coded controls and a comfortable swivel seat, perfect for checking your rear attachments. On transmission, the John Deere 4R offers smooth twin-touch pedals and even a power reverser, making shifting easy and efficient. Kubota sticks to older pedal designs, functional but far from premium. Power takeoff. John Deere's EPTO saves fuel and reduces engine wear when doing light work, while Kubota runs faster just to hit the same PTO speed. Hydraulics. John Deere's downforce feature powers through tough digging, giving you better results per hour. What if you could cut your farm work in half, without buying more tractors or hiring extra people? Here's something smart from John Deere that's saving farmers serious time and money. It's called the +2 round bale accumulator, and the idea is simple but powerful. Normally, when you're making hay bales, they drop one by one all over the field. That means more driving, more fuel, and more time picking them up later. But this machine changes everything. Instead of dropping bales randomly, it collects them in groups. It can hold 2 bales while making a third, then place all 3 together in one spot. That means fewer trips across the field and way faster collection. And here's the big win: less driving over your field means less damage to the grass. So your next crop grows back faster and healthier. That's more profit without extra effort. It also works great on hills, placing bales carefully so they don't roll away or get damaged. What if one machine could do the work faster, smoother, and smarter, without you even thinking about it? Today, we're looking at how modern skid steer and compact track loaders are becoming insanely easy to control, and honestly, it's a game changer. These machines are built to make your work faster and less stressful. For example, they can automatically keep the bucket level whether you're lifting or lowering. That means no more constant adjustments, just smooth, controlled movement every time. There's also a feature that brings the bucket back to the perfect digging position with just one button. Imagine loading a truck again and again without resetting everything manually. It saves time and effort. Another smart feature lets you set a specific angle for your tool. So if you're digging a trench or doing precise work, you get consistent results without guessing. Even on rough ground, the machine smooths out your throttle input, giving you a better, more stable ride. And when you need to slow down near obstacles, it gives you precise control instantly.
What if I told you this small excavator can work faster, smarter, and almost like a high-end machine twice its size? This is the next General 305 compact excavator, and at first glance, it looks like a simple, budget-friendly 5-ton machine. But don't let the size fool you. This machine can be upgraded into something much more powerful and efficient. It comes with basic features like rubber tracks and a standard setup, making it affordable for small to mid-level jobs. But here's where things get interesting. You can add smart technology that actually helps you work faster and with more precision. For example, the upgraded touchscreen monitor makes everything easier to control, while the laser detection system helps you dig at the perfect level without guesswork. It also supports extra hydraulic functions, meaning you can attach more advanced tools and handle complex tasks with ease. Safety is improved too, thanks to built-in protection systems that prevent sudden drops or failures during operation. What if one machine could replace hours of hard labor, and still feel smoother, faster, and smarter than ever before? Today we're looking at the latest updates in the CAT 440 and 450 backhoe loaders, and honestly, these machines are built to do some serious heavy lifting without breaking a sweat. The biggest change? A brand new engine. Even though it's smaller, it actually delivers more power where it matters. That means better performance, quicker response, and smoother operation when you're pushing these machines to their limits. Inside the cab, things get even more interesting. You now get a modern touchscreen display that lets you control almost everything, from how fast your joysticks respond to how the machine behaves during tough jobs. It's simple, clean, and easy to use, even if you're not super technical. And here's the cool part. You can choose how you want to control the machine. Whether you like modern joystick controls or a more traditional setup, it's all customizable to fit your style. When it comes to raw performance, ever wondered how heavy machines make impossible lifts look effortless? Let me show you the Hydra Dick in action. It's a game changer. Hi, I'm Laura Lee Ann Smith, and I operate heavy machinery at Hawk. Working with the Hydra Dick has completely changed the way we get things done. From trimming and lifting to navigating tight spaces, this machine gives me full control. Its 360-degree visibility means I can see everyone around me, keeping both myself and my team safe. One of the best things is its reach. It lets me get close when I need to, but also handle lifts that seem impossible. I've lifted over 1,600 kilograms confidently, and the machine handles it with ease. It's not just powerful, it's smooth and easy to use. The controls are intuitive, turning and maneuvering in tight spots feels natural, and it never bounces or jerks unexpectedly. Maintenance is simple too. Doors and access points are easy to reach, so we spend less time working at heights and more time getting the job done efficiently. Imagine a telehandler that's powerful, quiet, and runs entirely on electricity. No diesel, no fumes, just pure efficiency. Meet the future of construction machines. Hi, I'm Rebecca Yates from JCB, and today I'm excited to introduce the 505-20E, our first fully electric telehandler. It can lift up to 5,250 pounds, slightly less than the diesel version, but still powerful enough for most jobs. And it reaches an impressive 20 feet high while keeping the same compact size, so it's perfect for tight spaces. Like our diesel models, it works with all your favorite attachments thanks to the skid steer coupler and a hydraulic quick hitch. You can swap tools right from the cab without ever stopping. What makes it electric? Under the hood, there's a 96-volt lithium-ion battery with flexible charging options, 110 volts, 220 volts, or a rapid charger that can power it from 0 to full in just 2 to 3 hours. Plus, it won't overcharge and can even recharge during breaks. This machine can lift you 65 feet in the air, and still power your tools while you work. But the real question is, what makes it so powerful and safe at the same time? Today, We're taking a close look at a seriously powerful machine, the JCBT65, and breaking it down in the simplest way possible. Let's start at the top. The basket isn't just where you stand, it's built for safety and convenience. You've got a full entry gate, simple controls, and even built-in power outlets. That means you can plug in tools and get work done right up in the air. There's also a smart system that checks how much weight is in the basket, so you're always working within safe limits. As we move down, the boom is where the real action happens. Inside it, all the hoses and wires are neatly protected, so nothing gets damaged while the machine moves. There's also a safety support system that keeps everything stable when the boom is raised. Now, at the base, this machine runs on a strong engine that's easy to maintain.